So one of the things that us two, MIU Men's Health Foundation, focus on is being a survivor of prostate cancer, being a survivor of any cancer. There's a lot of anxiety and depression associated with this, but the key is that most of these cancers we can treat. Most of prostate cancer, most men won't die of, but they'll live with lifelong complications, lifelong anxiety associated with this cancer. That's why we're here today. That's why us two exist. We have support groups available. We meet monthly with other survivors to talk about the good and bad of prostate cancer. And what I hear day in and day out from the survivors is, I'm good until I get that letter in the mail, I gotta go get my PSA checked. I don't think about it, but that week where I gotta go in, get my blood, and then go see my doctor, I'm freaking out like I was when I was initially diagnosed. That's normal, okay? That's part of life of being a survivor. And that's why we're here to get you the help so that we can treat the stress anxiety. We can treat the complications of ED. We can treat the complications of incontinence. If you're having intimacy problems with your wife because sexual function's a little different, we have resources for you and your wife to understand or be sexually active after treatment for prostate cancer. The key is that it's being a survivor, and as a survivor, you gotta seek out seek out ways to get these problems fixed, okay? And there are options available to you. Go to the US2 website, come to our men's health event, come to our monthly meetings, talk to other survivors. You know, men in general aren't good healthcare consumers. Women have issues, they talk to their girlfriends, they talk to everybody in the whole block. Men keep it to themselves, and that's wrong. Because if you start asking the questions, whether you or your wife, you'll see that most men, friends, uncles, brothers, you know, guys you work with will probably have dealt with prostate cancer more than you know. And the more you talk about it and discuss it with other men, you'll feel more comfortable and more normal, and you won't just survive prostate cancer, you'll thrive prostate cancer.